Welcome back to another installment of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Howdy, y'all.
As you guys know, today is the day for the She's Hot contest.
Exactly.
Sponsored by Playboy International.
Yes, sir.
Our winner for today, you've been waiting for her, you've been voting for her, you've been excited for the She's Hot winner. We are proud to announce that our She's Hot winner is Black China for this week. Black China is not only known as an American model, socialite, and entrepreneur, but she does some music. Black King Sebastian and I heard her do her little snippet with Too Short, and if you don't watch out, Black China might have a record, like a label coming up soon.
Knock, nigga.
So
That's true. Black China was the owner of her own reality TV show, as well as her own network. Black China, do you.
Cut the cameras.
You're the most scandalous of all of our women so far.
No!
You've got the cheddar, as well as you got the Rob Kardashian.
exactly. But all I want to say is, what's her name? Angelina Jolie will always be at the top of our list. I'm sorry to say it. For me personally, I'm going to have to say Angelina Jolie is she's going to take the cake on scandalous. She is the mother of scandal. But yes, everything else you were saying, Black King Sebastian, 100%, 100%.
That I'm very sorry and I apologize for the inconvenience of me not giving a fuck!
And of course, she knows how to hustle her money, which is always a plus in the She's Hot winners. When they know how to hustle and get their cheddar and get their money, that is a plus. But as always, let's close it off, Black King Sebastian.
We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby.
Ciao.
Au revoir.
Constantly.